My name is Michelle Drebsky, and today during this presentation we're going to be talking about what Google TV is and what it does. On this slide you would see what the Google TV actually looks like and what you would be purchasing. You would get a remote, a keyboard, and a box for what you're buying. There is a wireless keyboard for you to type in whatever you would want to search instead of just using the remote to go through every letter and everything, which the keyboard causes a lot less errors, so Google was really smart for doing that actually. And then in one of the pictures you see what the display would actually look like if you would plug in the Google TV. Google TV was a smart TV platform from Google, co-developed by Intel, Sony, Logitech, that was launched in October 2010. Google TV lets you choose from a list of categories of entertainment such as games, movies, songs, really anything of any genre, and it easily navigates a list of TV programs currently being shown on TV. So once you put in your TV provider information, you can get all the channels and everything, or stream whatever that you would like. This is everything you need to know about Google TV. Now first, it's supposed to be very simple for anyone to use and for anyone to search up anything. It's capable to search all of your TV content through a search bar similar to google.com. Now this search bar will always be on the top of your screen, so it's always easy access for anything you would want to search at any time. Now it's the idea that you don't need to know where it all came from. So if you wanted a YouTube video, it won't tell you it's from YouTube, it's just going to appear what you searched, which is actually a good thing because it's very quick. How do you control the Google TV? Now, it requires a bit of text input to make it work functionally, meaning you're always typing in something to be searched. Now, Google announced some solutions to that problem. A wireless keyboard to help type faster than the usual remote function where you would have to go through every letter one by one to type in a word. Also, they have a touchpad on the keyboard for the moving mouse cursor, so it's easy to navigate through the whole screen. Having a standard home theater control like play, pause, volume, that would be on the remote, which is picked up by the receiver very quickly. Also, they shrunk the standard keyboard size, so it's easy just to give someone it or just to make it go all around the room. It's not as big as a keyboard, so size does matter. Also, they have an app for a smartphone to control all functions instead of using the keyboard or the remote. Now, the most commonly used function would be the keyboard. Everyone talks very highly of that. There is actually a lot of confusion about the difference between the Google TV and the Google Chromecast, but they're actually very different. The Chromecast is basically a gateway to content and streaming, just like the Amazon Fire Stick. Now, you can't install anything to it. You can't control anything on it without another device. It can't even set up without a web browser or an Android app. That being said, it's actually very limiting. Now, the Google TV is a full-blown Android device. It has access to the official Google Play Store, so you can install applications and games, rent and buy movies to play directly to your TV through the device. Listen to Google Play Music Library, browse the web, even use your network connection to communicate with it. It's pretty much just like an Android phone or tablet in many aspects. You don't need another device to set it up or to use it. And with the included remote, the Google TV is a complete standalone product. Now, with that all being said, the Google Chromecast is actually a lot more popular to users and did a lot better on the market than the Google TV ever did. And a lot more people have the Google Chromecast in their homes. There are some problems with the Google TV and what some people don't understand. Now, the Google TV is not a television, so you do have to connect to a cable provider. Now, that being said, it can't just receive TV stations out of nowhere without connecting to a provider that you have purchased. Now, it is not simply an internet on your TV. One of Google's TV's main features is its ability to search both the internet and your TV programming to find the shows that you want to watch. So once you do connect to your cable provider, you can get whatever you want. You can get a local TV station, or you can stream or search whatever you would want on the internet. So that being said, it's kind of the best of both worlds. as you see on this slide, I put the price for the Google Chromecast, which is $35, and then I put the price of the Amazon Fire Stick, which is $40. I didn't add the price for the Google TV because there is no price because they don't really make it anymore. It was a huge fail for Google. Every user that did buy it said that it was extremely slow and so buggy. So it was made around 2010, and it didn't last long. With that being said, now Google's coming up with new ways to update the Chromecast and make that into its own little thing. Android TV kind of picked up where Google TV failed at, but that system still didn't really work out, so they're working on that. But this was a huge fail for Google and didn't last very long, but there are still more things to come with the Chromecast, and we'll see where that takes it.